So today we're doing a Hollywood glam look, and today we'd like to show you our favorite products that we used and also just a small process of how we created that look. As you can see, we've created an over-directed barrel curl to create part of this wave that you see here. And I want to point out that we have little 1/4 inch to about a 1/2 inch subsections that are over-directed forward. And this subsection, we also used Hot Sexy Support Me, and we thoroughly coated each strand or subsection, and then also took a rat tail comb and smoothed out each section.
You know, the cool thing about that product is that it actually has a heat resistor and a setting factor. So that's why it's called Support Me, which makes it a really great product.
And it adds a little bit of shine as well. After we've done cooling off our barrel set, I want to point out when we brush them out, this is the kind of wave that we get with that. And I'm going to let Leah kind of point out since she's closer.
Yeah. So what's great about this type of a set is it's simple for you to do on yourself. And then when you brush it out, you get these nice hard ridges. And it's really popular in a glamour wave look. And they're very hard to get with just an iron or a flat iron. So by using a barrel set with your iron and letting them cool with a support product, you get those nice hard ridges.
Okay, now I'm going to take them down after they have cooled and just kind of place them. And then once I'm done pulling all these clips out, I'm going to take a brush and smooth everything out. And I'm using a wet brush as my brush of choice. I really feel that this brush detangles at the same time that it kind of smooths. And you see that nice soft curl with that bend in there. I'm just kind of gently starting from the ends and working my way up.
Can you see how by using any type of a support setting product, even though you are actually brushing the curl out, you really are getting that still firm base and memory of that curl.
Lots of bounce within here.
When you brush out your barrel set, I want to show you by using those support products and letting that cool. Watch how that kind of will fall in to the wave. It really is a beautiful finish. It gives you that definite curve pattern by setting the hair like that.
Tingle up through the crown area. And again, you can see that nice twist and that bend that Leah was pointing out. And that Support Me product also has a lot of shine, if you can see that.